Hey, thank you for stopping by my page, Reviews by Nitra. Be sure to check out all the videos below on reviewed products and also on DIY projects. I am someone that does a lot of research on products before I buy them, and I also research projects before I do them. So I would be forever grateful if you followed along on my journey of reviews and also home renovations. This is Cricky. Because I rely heavily on reviews and also project videos on how-tos. Oh my goodness, Cricky. Because I rely so heavily on reviews and on project how-to videos, I would like to bring you my experiences and my reviews as well. Hopefully they will give you some insight on different product reviews and different ways to do projects. I hope everyone can follow along on all my review journeys, all my DIY projects, and I hope to inspire others. I'm currently trying to build my channel, so please subscribe so you can get new video updates and hit those like buttons.